There's a lot of different facets to the question of what type of resistance welder do I need. It really matters on what type of resistance welding are you doing. It matters on the material that you're welding. Is it aluminum? Is it cold rolled steel? Is it a projection weld? Is it coated material? How big of components are they? Is something that you can hold by hand and weld? And how many parts are you going to be doing? How easily are you able to get in to do a resistance weld? All those factors come into play when you're trying to determine what resistance welder should I use. One of the things I would really highly recommend is get a basis of knowledge of the resistance welding processes. You have to know what each one of the processes do and what type of equipment it takes to do that process. So when you're talking about resistance welders, don't necessarily look for the cheapest one, because when you are dealing with just looking at cost factor or how cheap something is, it may not be able to do the welding you need, give you the quality that you require in a production environment.